Hello, 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 and welcome because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty day. Woo! 100 years old. My auntie, Aunt Helen, is 100 years old, and she looks beautiful today. Yes, she's wonderful. I sang for her. Now, I didn't expect I was going to sing for her, but I did. Sometimes you don't know when the opportunity happens and someone says, "Oh, would you sing that song for me?" Or, "Why don't you get up and sing for us?" So what do you do at those times? It's not at those times what you do. It's the prep that you do. So I want you to think about whether you're ready to sing in the morning, in the evening, and we got fun, in the afternoon, whatever time it is. Think about whether you're prepared to sing in the fact that your muscles are ready at any time because you've used your muscles so much that they're going to give you this amount. They will always give you a certain amount if you are ready, because you already did your practice. There's that certain amount you can always count on. So you want to make sure that that certain amount is there whenever you need it. The next thing is when someone asks you to sing or you're asked to get up and sing, they hand you the mic or there isn't any mic, you don't want to push. The tendency, because of the tension of the moment, not only when you're prepared, but when you're not prepared, is a little bit much. And a lot of the times you're going to go, "Oh, okay," and you get up and you sing, and you just don't want to push. You want to make sure that you're relaxed enough that you can sing. You don't strain yourself. You don't push your muscles too much because, it took you by surprise. Think about it, be settled, and that brings in the third thing, that instead of thinking, "Oh, what could I sing?" you want to prepare yourself. You want to know beforehand what you would sing if somebody said, "Hey, would you sing for us?" Or, "Come on and get up, here's the mic. I'd love to hear you sing this song." Okay? You always want to be prepared. So that preparation is know what you're going to do, know that, and you should have a few songs that you could sing. Just straight out, okay? Right out of the gate. "Oh yeah, sure I can sing." Different type songs for different situations. So you're prepared. I'm going to go backwards. That means that when you have the second one that I talked about, which is not pushing or shoving in on your muscles and being tense because you already know the song that you want to sing when you're called on, or you already know several songs, like I said, that you can just pick out of your bag of tricks, your song bag, that, yep, I can sing that and it's easy on me. I don't have to push. So that if it's in the morning, and you haven't had time to, rehearse or practice, you were called on. And you have to be able to sing it at any time of the day. So it has to be a safe song or songs. And then that other thing, that first one that I mentioned, which is that you are working your muscles all the time so that that certain amount that they will always give you is the amount that you need for when you're called on and you had no idea that somebody was going to say, "Oh, would you sing that song for us?" Or, "Here's the mic. Love to hear you sing. I heard you sing great." Oh, okay? So always be prepared. That is pre. Pre is the important word. Pre, before when you're called on, okay? I hope this helps you. I know that it's so important for us to always be ready to sing because that's what we love to do, right? So, I'd love you to leave a comment. I'd love you to DM me. Tell me about your voice. How have you been singing? What happened to you when somebody called you to sing? Were you ready? Were you not ready? Tell me all about it, okay? In the meantime, You got to subscribe, okay? And, oh my gosh, I have Singing for a Lifetime for you ladies. Check it out at marquitawaters.com. Singing for a Lifetime. We just do exercises so we're ready. And if you want to do a vocal workout, check out my vocal workout course, okay? marquitawaters.com. You got to go there, okay? 'Cause it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! Okay, bye.